What do you mean by soft end feel and hard end feel when you are examining the mouth opening in a temporomandibular disorder patient? Let's discuss it in detail. Whenever you see a restricted mouth opening in a temporomandibular joint patient, that is when you check the end feel in that patient. If you cannot open the patient's mouth beyond 20 to 25 mm of interincisal opening, you call it as a hardened feel. If you can forcefully open the patient's mouth beyond 20 to 25 mm to almost the normal mouth opening range of around 45 mm, then you call it as a softened feel. Now, what do these two things indicate? A hardened feel indicates that there is a physical obstruction to the translation of the condyle inside a temporomandibular joint, which happens in distal locations without reductions. It also happens in myofibrotic contractures, where actually the muscle fibers are adhering to the muscle fibers surrounding them or to the sheath of the muscle, permanently shortening the functional length of the muscle. A reduction in mouth opening to 20 to 25 mm with a hard end feel may also be seen in adhesions in the superior compartment, that is, when the disc adheres permanently to the fossa. In case the patient is not able to open mouth himself or herself beyond 20 to 25 mm but can open to almost the full range on forceful opening, then this is called as a soft end feel. This happens in any muscle disorder where pain is actually restricting the opening of the patient's mouth. This can happen in protective co-contraction, it can happen in local muscle soreness, it can happen in myofascial trigger point pains, it can happen in myospasms, and it can also happen in chronic centrally mediated myalgia. Besides these causes, it will also occur in myostatic contractures. A soft end feel will also be there in a disc displacement with reduction patient, where the patient will actually restrict the mouth opening secondary to pain and not due to any physical obstruction. So now when you check the soft and the hard end feel in your patient, check it more objectively and think about these causes and treat them accordingly. Hope this helps.